Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Yazid, an instrument engineer from VC Sendirian Berhad. In this video, I will show you on how to use JKI JSON in LabVIEW. Firstly, open the VI Package Manager. In this VI Package Manager, we're gonna download the JKI JSON toolkit that we're gonna use in the LabVIEW. Make sure you have the right LabVIEW version, which is I'm using the LabVIEW 2019. So for the search query, click all, and at the search bar search for JKI JSON. Here we find the JKI JSON and click install package. The toolkit will gonna take some time to download the package, as we can see here. So just wait for a while. Okay, so we are done with the toolkit installation. If you double click this JKI JSON, here we can see it's already installed, and we can show it in the palettes in LabVIEW. So the JKI JSON is already in my LabVIEW. The JKI JSON also can be found in the function palette inside the JKI tools. Here I'm going to show you on how to flatten to JSON string. Okay, first I'm going to take out the flatten to JSON string node, and then cluster constant. I want to flatten several types of JSON data types, which is numeric and also string. Okay. Make sure to visible the label. As we all know, JSON data format has a label on it. This example, we'll label it as temperature. For the string, I will label it as status. I'm gonna put these two variables inside the cluster constant. Make it auto sizing to arrange vertically, and then I will wire it to this variant input. Okay, let's see what is the result of the JSON string. Here we got the temperature and also status in the JSON string format. Let's see, what if I put some values here. For the 75, and for the status I will write it normal. So I've run it, and here are the result of the JSON string. I can also unflatten the JSON string back to the LabVIEW data type. Here I will use the unflatten from JSON string. Wire it here. For the cluster constant, I will wire it directly. For the variant, I will have to change it to variant to data. Just search Ctrl space, press Ctrl space, and search variant to data. And we will have to define the type of the JSON string result. Then we can change it to here. Create indicator. So if I run it, I will get the temperature and also status back into LabVIEW data type. Also, I can unbundle it if I want the specific data, which is temperature in numeric, status in string. So if I run it, yeah, we'll get the status and the temperature respectively. Okay, I've already shown you on the example on how to use JSON in LabVIEW. Now I'm gonna show you on how to use the REST client in the LabVIEW. First, we open the VI package manager. Then we search the REST client. Just type REST, and then we found the JKI HTTP REST client. Click install package. Click yes, and it will take some time to download and install the package inside the LabVIEW. Okay, so we have finished install the JKI HTTP REST client. So here you can show in the palettes. Here inside my LabVIEW, I already got the HTTP REST client toolkit. This HTTP REST client toolkit also can be found in the JKI tools inside the group of HTTP REST client. Without wasting our time, I will show you some example on how to get a query from the server. In this example, I will use the MyJSON server demo to obtain some of the data inside this database. I will use the profile object. Here we can see the JSON data. How I will do it, I will open the new VI. I will create a HTTP REST client, get, and also destroy. This is the basic things that we will need in order to obtain the data from this MyJSON server. Okay, I will need to take out the URL, copy it, and create a constant here on the base URL, paste it. For the default headers, this is the default header for this example. Content type and also application/JSON. wire it, and for the path that we will get the data is the profile. So we take out the last URL section, which is the profile, and then we create a indicator on the response body. So let's find out what is the result of the response body. I will run it, and I already have the response body obtained from this server. Now I will unflatten it back to the LabVIEW data type by using the JKI tools JKI JSON. I will choose the unflatten from JSON string. On JSON string, I will take from the response body of the HTTP GET. The types and default, I will have to declare it using cluster constant and a string, because the data type here is in string. I will choose string constant, label it. The label name is written as name. Make the auto sizing. The type and default. Then I will go to quick drop, which you can press the control space button, search for variant to data, wire it, and for the type is the name, and just create indicator on the output. And I want to unbundle it to a single string. Now I will run it. Here I already get the response body, the data inside the cluster. Also I have unbundled it into the single string. So that's all for my tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also please visit our Facebook page at Virtual Instrument and System Innovation. If you have any inquiry, do email us at info@vc.com.my. Stay tuned for our next video. Thank you and bye bye.